Today, I would like to talk to you about NotebookLM. NotebookLM is an AI powered research tool developed by Google Labs. It is particularly important if you are a student in university, as it is a research assistant, a researcher, or anyone actually. Anyone can use this if you would like to create any form of content, if you would like to collaborate with someone at work, if you would like to do anything. The purpose is it serves as an assistant which helps you create all sorts of documents, in this case, named notebooks. So, to try to use Notebook LM, to use it, all you need is a Google account. So, if you have a Gmail account, you are sorted. If you have any sort of YouTube or anything like that, you are completely sorted. You do not need anything else to use Notebook LM. And to get here, you just have to search in notebooklm.google.com and it takes you straight here to this home page, which are organized into your notebooks and should all be sorted based on how you would like it to be sorted, shared with you, titles. So you can see shared, which means you are able to collaborate on projects with different other people using Notebook LM. So we are going to create a new notebook, and you can see here it takes in a lot of files. So you are able to upload files locally from your PC. It supports all of this. You are able to upload files from your Google Drive or Google Docs. So, like I said again, as a student, if you are working in a group or you are a research assistant or you are even someone working in the office, maybe you would like to collaborate with another member of your team and you have a shared Google Docs, you have access to that right here. You can use Google Slides. You can also upload links to websites. You can upload links to YouTube videos, and you can upload copy text as you have, of course. I'm going to go through all the functionalities of Notebook LM and hopefully walk you through what you can do with this amazing tool. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to be uploading links to websites and YouTube videos. First of all, I will get the websites. You just have to paste in a web URL to upload it as a source. So I'm going to use this. Sorry. And the first thing you notice, it gives a summary of the web page which you have uploaded. So if it is a long document, for example, a very massive PDF, as again using the example of a researcher, which maybe has a lot of pages, it's maybe a paper and you do not have the time to read through every information on the paper, it provides you with a summary. It gives you some suggested questions which it thinks you would like to ask. So this is an article, this is gotten straight from the webpage of Lucid Air, and you are able to generate frequently asked questions. You are able to generate a study guide. If you are a student, you are able to generate a table of contents, a timeline if it's a video, and a briefing document. If you would like to add more sources, you just come over here and add sources. You can see there is a source limit at the moment, which is 50 sources, although I doubt it will be possible to go over these limits unless, of course, it is a very high and large volume topic which you're researching. And now I'll get another YouTube video. You have to take some note though, at the moment, whatever video you would like to upload must have a text transcript. So the AI goes through the text transcript of the video to get a lot of information from it. Only public YouTube videos are supported, and recently uploaded videos may not be available to import. So these are some notes that you have to take when you are hoping to insert a video if you're researching something. So here, this is another video by Marcus Brownlee about the same car which we just uploaded, the Lucid Air. So you just simply copy and paste. So what can you do with this? As an AI assistant, you are obviously able to ask it some questions. You can ask, for example, what is the starting price here? And you see it pulls data from the sources, specifically from the sources, and responds to your question. As you can see this here, which I think is really cool. It not only pulls data, it gives you the source exactly where it got that data from. So you can see this particular source, number one, was gotten from the first document, the first upload, which is the website itself. You can save this to the notes, and it's all part of one file. And then you can see another notebook guide. One thing I think is really cool before we go into other features, because it takes some time, is you are able to generate a conversation, an audio file based on the information from your sources. So you can have multiple sources, of course, but in this tutorial I'm using two. And you can come here, customize, decide what the AI should focus on. You can choose to make your audio focus on the environmental importance of the electric car. You can also choose certain talking points. You can ask it to focus on speed and specs of the car, and that would impact what the audio generates. So let's generate something. Of course, it takes a few minutes. So let's go to some other features of NotebookLM. You can ask it to help you to create a study guide. You can see it's generating right now. And of course, these things take time. So we're going to look through the notebook guide. Sorry, this is the study guide. It's done. You can see why it is very important as a student. Obviously, this is a very student and academic driven tool to help people currently going through their academic career. You can see it makes a quiz, instructions, it sets the instructions, and it provides questions and an answer key. It gives essay questions. It gives a glossary of the key terms used in these questions. And then you can save it in here as a study guide. Study guide. So that helps you organize everything. This here, it all starts with new save notes. You can come in here, change the name as usual. So key price facts, and it keeps it in there. You can create a timeline. You can ask it any question. So if you add a lot of sources, let's say you are researching a particular topic and you have one question, you can ask it any question and it will pull from information across all the sources and get you that question. You can see this is taking a bit of our time. So I will get back to you when this is done generating. You can see it has generated a 12 minutes audio in podcast style about the Lucid Air.
All right, buckle up, everybody, because today we're taking a deep dive into the world of electric cars. And specifically, we're zeroing in on the Lucid Air Pure. This car is making waves. And not just for its looks, but for the serious muscle it brings to the table, while still keeping things eco-friendly.
Yeah, it's really interesting to see how the car world is changing.
You can already see right from the start, it has followed my pre made instructions to focus on the electric car and the specs of it. So of course it's generated a full podcast style audio
Recharge the battery.
which you can share, which you can save, which you can download or do anything with it, which I think is very cool. It's wonderful because not everyone is a visual learner. Some people rather listen to the podcast and that helps them learn better, which I think is a great feature as well. So this so far is what you can see you can do with this. Um, so yeah, give it a try, give it a shot. I hope you enjoy using Notebook LM. It has a lot of future capabilities, and I have no idea. You have no idea just how good this can get.